Hey loves, it's Brianna. Welcome to today's video where I'm sharing with you my 34 spring cleaning must-haves because spring cleaning for 2023 is upon us. I cannot wait to start spring cleaning, and I figured it would be a great idea to sort of go through all of the items that are my essentials so that I can have a successful spring clean around my home. I hope this is helpful for you, and be sure to subscribe for more spring cleaning videos. And if there's anything you feel like I'm missing that you use when you're spring cleaning, let us know down in the comments below. We love sharing in our community here. I made the list on my phone so that I don't forget anything. And the first thing is my free spring cleaning checklist. I will have the link down in my description box below where you can get my free PDFs. That way you can print these out, go through, check everything off the list. There's just something so gratifying when you have an actual written down list that you get to check off with your pen or your marker or your Sharpie or whatever it is that you're using. I know I love just any kind of checklist to sort of keep me organized. I have a ton more besides spring cleaning as well. You can get them from that link as well, but there is a free spring cleaning printable for you to use. All right, we'll get started in the tools that I feel like are the essentials that I need for spring cleaning. First is my vacuum. I brought my new vacuum that I've been using. It's a Shark. I really love this one because it sucks harder when there's more dirt or particles on the floor. It's really cool. It lets off a really nice deodorizing scent when you're vacuuming as well, so it just makes everything smell extra clean. It's super easy to clean out, even though it's disgusting. I hate cleaning out the vacuum. I don't know about you. It's very lightweight though. I used to use a Dyson. If you watch some of my old cleaning videos, which I will have my spring cleaning videos all linked for you if you need cleaning motivation right now, you can hop to that video playlist after this one. But I used to use a Dyson, which I still have one. I love it as well. It's really expensive, and this one I feel like is much more affordable, gets the job done, is still lightweight, and is cordless, which for me, I love a cordless vacuum for doing the stairs and for being able to clean the couch and all that kind of stuff that I feel like when you're doing a deep clean, especially during spring cleaning, you want that like versatility, right? Of not having like a cord that you're yanking around. Second tool, I brought this in the Boma mop. If you've watched some of my videos, this is a newer purchase. At first, I wasn't sure I was going to like it because I'd originally thought you could only buy the Bona cleaner for this mop. Turns out all you have to do is rinse out this container and you can fill it with whatever kind of floor cleaner that you like. I prefer the Method almond scented floor cleaner. It smells amazing. But I actually really do like this mop. It's nice and wide. It's very quick and easy on my floors. I have all like hard floors on the first and second floor of my home now, so I have a lot of mopping to do, and this just really helps get the job done. I like just a little like easy clickable handle too. I'm squirtling on the floor right now, I'm doing it, but I love it. It's very, very lightweight, easy to use, and gets the job done really, really fast. Another two tools that I feel like are just a must-have for spring cleaning is a broom and a dustpan. I feel like there's so much extra sweeping that you're doing. I know like I do the porch and just those areas, so having a broom and a dustpan on hand is really, really important. I feel like you can get really inexpensive ones even at the Dollar Tree. That's where I've got some of my little like sweeper dustpans that I even have the kids help with when they have crumbs or crafts or things like that where stuff is all over the floor. And then the fifth and final tool that I have on this list is a steam cleaner. When I had carpets upstairs, that was always on my spring clean list, of getting all the carpets and everything steam cleaned around the house. But I feel like for any sort of upholstered furniture, like a couch, or I know my kitchen chairs, they definitely need a good steam clean. So a steam cleaner I feel like is an essential tool that you need for spring cleaning. I'll link the one that I have below, and I'll do it with all of the cleaning products that I'm sharing with you today, of the ones that I use, that I love, that I would recommend to you. All right, next on my list, I have the cleaning products that I love. So these are the actual cleaners that I feel like you have to have on hand for a really good spring clean. And I would start off with some dish soap. I really love the Dawn Power Wash. I love the trigger. It's fun to use, but it's also incredibly effective. It's the easiest thing in the world. You just spray it on whatever you're cleaning, and you can kind of like scrub it off and rinse it, and it takes stains out of everything. I mean, I use this stuff on shoes before too, so it's not just for sinks. I'll use this when I'm cleaning out the refrigerator. I'll use it when I'm cleaning out the stove or the microwave. Really anything where you're just looking for that really good soap and hot water scrub. Highly, highly, highly recommend the Dawn Power Wash. Second cleaning product, which is just a traditional oldie but a goodie is some baking soda. I love using baking soda with just soap when I'm cleaning out the sink or the microwave or the stove, just any place that needs that like extra deep clean. And this way too, you also are using a product that's more natural. So have some baking soda on hand. Third is a floor cleaner. I mentioned when I was talking about the mop, my favorite is the Method Almond floor cleaner. It's a wood floor cleaner, but they make some other scents as well. I just love the almond scent. I feel like it smells absolutely amazing. It's really cozy and homey. The fourth cleaner I have on my list is some bleach. I feel like when you are doing those deep cleans in your bathroom, or when I'm doing my trash cans, because that's part of my spring cleaning like checklist, is I like to get the trash cans all cleaned out, and I feel like they're just extra like, ugh. So I like to put some bleach in them and hose them down and just get them extra super clean. So having some bleach on hand. And then kind of in line with that, I love these Clorox bleach wipes, especially these Scentivia ones. This is the Pacific Breeze and coconut scent. I think it just smells tropical and so clean and amazing. I love using these to wipe down anything that I'm doing a deep clean in the bathroom. I use them for wiping down the toilet seats or handles or light switches or doorknobs, just so that those areas that, you know, get those extra touches are super, super clean when you're doing those spring cleans that are extra deep. Also another Clorox product that I really love are these Clorox toilet wands. I have one of these next to every single toilet in my home. Highly recommend it. I don't mess around with those scuzzy toilet scrub brushes that I feel like just sit there and have bacteria on them. I love the fact that this is just a handle that I can, you know, wipe off with one of these wipes when I'm done using it. But I have then, I'm running low. I need to add these to my grocery list, but I have the little wand attachments, and this is in the same scent actually. It's the coconut, Pacific Breeze coconut Clorox scent, and I just think it makes the bathroom just smell wonderful while you're cleaning it. I know that then the toilet bowl gets extra clean, and to me it's just a more sanitary product to use when I'm cleaning my toilets. Next cleaning product to have on your list is some glass cleaner. I've always been a fan of the Method Mint glass cleaner. I just love the scent of it. It's very fresh and clean, and I feel like it gets the job done not only on my glass, but I use it on my stainless steel appliances as well, because some of them are like a combination of stainless steel and glass, and I feel like it just takes all the streaks off when I use that product. And especially too, when you're doing spring cleans and you're doing all the picture frames, or you're doing the crystals on some of your hanging lights, I know I use that product on there as well. Like I'll just spray some into the microfiber cloth and sort of like rub it on the crystals, and it gets everything nice and clean and streak free. Next cleaning product is I love using wood cleaner when I'm doing my spring deep cleans. Oftentimes if I'm doing just a quick clean, I'll use a multi-surface cleaner that kind of can cover everything, but I really love using this when I'm getting into all the nooks and crannies on my wood furniture. It's that same almond scent as the floor cleaner, which again, I just love that almond scent. It is so cozy yet clean. I really love it. So I would recommend this if you have a lot of wood furniture, wood tables, or if you're going to be doing a really good wipe down of your wood cabinets. I love, love, love this cleaner. And then of course there's still times for a multi-surface cleaner when I'm doing my spring cleans, when I'm dusting everything. I love spraying this into, you know, whether I'm dusting with a microfiber or some other kind of like dusting product. I love spraying this in there just so that there's that extra clean scent. This is the Mrs. Meyer's Rose scent. I also really love the peony scent. They've had a mint scent in the spring that I've really loved. I just love having seasonal scents when I'm cleaning. No matter what time of year it is, I just like everything to smell like that time of year when I'm cleaning. It's a mood, it's a vibe. It makes me so much more motivated to continue cleaning, because I think we all know having that cleaning motivation some days can be really, really tough. So if you're using cleaning products that you love, that smell good, that you're comfortable using with your home and your family because you know that they're safe and effective, that's why I've always loved this brand for my multi-surface cleaners and just the different scents that they have for every single season. Next on that cleaning supply list is some magic erasers. I found an off-brand at the Dollar Tree. So dollar pickup, there's 2 in a pack. So pick these up if you have any white furniture, or if you have any scuffs on your walls or on your baseboards when you're doing those extra deep cleans. I love using these just on anything white that might have a little scuff or a stain. It makes it so easy for it just to come right up, or any wall stains. It doesn't even have to be white, but if you have any stains on your wall, any crayon, if you have kids and you know they get a little artistic, the magic erasers work really, really well. And then I love a Fresh for 3 different appliances. So this is their washing machine cleaner. I also have the dishwasher and the garbage disposal cleaner. And this is something that I use every single month, but again, it's a part of that spring cleaning checklist, just making sure all those appliances stay nice and clean. And this just makes it so easy to kind of like pour it in, turn on your appliance, and boom, it's done. So I love using Refresh. Finally, I always like to do an extra wash of all of my bedding and my pillow covers and mattress protectors and blankets and all of those things. So I just make sure that I have plenty of laundry detergent and fabric softener. And I like throwing in some of those scented crystals because then I feel like everything smells extra fresh and clean for spring. It just gives it, you know, that elevated smell of cleanliness throughout your home. So I really like using those when I'm washing all of my things during spring cleaning. All right, these are just the other spring cleaning essentials to have on hand when you're doing your spring cleaning to make it nice and easy. The first one is garbage bags. I feel like as you're going through in spring cleaning and maybe doing some decluttering and just see some things that you know you're not going to use anymore, throw it away, or you're cleaning out the fridge or you're cleaning out the pantry, you have extra garbage bags on hand to get rid of all that stuff that you're getting out of the house. Then some rubber gloves. I got these at the Dollar Tree. I love the pink color. They work amazing and they're only $1, but you know, when you're doing those extra deep cleans, it's nice to have a couple pairs of these on hand just to protect your nails and your skin. And you know, you might not want to touch some of that really gross stuff, so those are nice to have. Next, some microfiber cleaning cloths. I got a huge pack of these on Amazon. They came in the purple, pink, and a blue color, so I just love the colors too. Again, I feel like there's something to being more motivated to clean when you love the products that you're using, or they're in the colors that sort of fit your mood or your vibe. So again, I'll link all of these products, so in case you want to get any of them while you're doing your spring cleaning, just to give you that extra oomph of motivation, I'll have them linked for you. But I love this colorful pack that I found on Amazon. You'll also want to make sure that you have some sponges on hand, also some scrub brushes, because you're doing some extra deep cleans. So especially if you're like scrubbing along that oven or any areas in your bathroom, or you look along tile a lot of times, you either usually want sponges or a really good scrub brush just to get extra into all of those crevices and make it nice and clean. Did find this gadget by Rubbermaid that I really, really love for cleaning around tile or areas of the sink where there's gonna be extra caked on gunk. I'll link that for you as well because I really, really love that product. It's something I have used for a long time and it makes cleaning those spaces so much easier. And then make sure you have plenty of paper towels on hand. I know when I'm cleaning windows or oftentimes cleaning out the fridge or something like that, I'll just need paper towels to clean up any sort of extra sticky gunk or residue that I might not want to use one of my microfiber cloths for. And you can use newspaper if you're cleaning the windows as well. Just, you know, if you still get the newspaper, I know we don't get the newspaper anymore, but that's another hack. If you don't want to get paper towels, you can use newspaper and it will still keep your windows nice and streak free. Another product I got at the Dollar Tree are these copper scours. I love using these for my copper pots and pans, just when I want them to be extra shiny when I'm doing that deep clean during spring cleaning. I love using these. Next, I like to buy air freshener and some natural candles. That's something that I'm shifting to. If you've been following along for a while, I have definitely been doing a little bit more research of just the kind of candles that I'm burning in my home, but I love using air fresheners and I love using candles just, again, to give that elevated scent of clean around your home. I feel like that's the best part of spring cleaning, is that your home is nice and clean and smells so fresh and you have the windows open and it's airy, and then these beautiful scents sort of complement all of that cleaning that you've done. With the air fresheners, I like to spray them on the sheets and on the pillows and on the couch and, you know, just different fabrics like curtains around the home so that everything smells so nice and clean. And then I like to light candles, just again to add that elevated scent of cleanliness for around the home. And then these are the things that I feel like always help me when I'm just in that spring clean organization mode, but I love having drawer organizers on hand so that as I'm cleaning out the drawers, I can make sure that everything looks nice and clean and organized. And then I have extra batteries on hand because that's one of the things. I'll make sure the remote batteries are changed out and smoke alarm batteries are changed out, and anything that's sort of battery powered around the home, make sure that gets updated as a part of that deep spring clean. Same with light bulbs. I will have extra light bulbs on hand just in case there's any burnt out. That's kind of, you know, when you're going around and doing deep cleans, that's when you sort of realize, I think, some of those things that, oh, this light bulb's out over there, oh, these batteries need to be replaced over here. So it's kind of a nice time just to do an overall refresh of your home. Final thing, again, this is on my free checklist. If you want to grab that down below in the comments, I'll have it linked. But air filters and water filters. I know our fridge has a water filter, and then the air filter like down on the furnace. I like to make sure that all of those things have been changed out every single spring so that the home is all caught up and up to speed for the rest of the season when, you know, hopefully the weather gets nice so you're outside and just enjoying so many more things to do. The home is like on the back burner then during that time of year. But I hope that this list helped you to make sure you're prepared for spring cleaning this year. If there is anything I've forgotten, please let us know down in the comments below. I know our community is so great at just encouraging each other and sharing your advice and the lessons you've learned. And that's, I think, the thing I love most about this community is like we all are there and have each other's backs and help each other out. If you have any spring cleaning video requests, let me know. I cannot wait to start making those videos, but I have a ton already for you if you need that motivation right now. If you are like, okay, I've got all my supplies, I'm ready, let's go. I'll have that playlist linked down for you below as well. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Thanks for subscribing. Happy spring cleaning, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, loves.